In the annals of history, few conflicts have shaped a nation's destiny as profoundly as the American Civil War. It was an era defined by a deep and searing divide, a time when brother fought against brother and the very soul of a republic hung in the balance. This is the story of that monumental struggle, a tale of division, conflict, and the painful rebirth of a nation. The mid-19th century saw an America that was, in reality, two separate worlds, bound by a fragile union. In the North, the engines of industry roared to life. Factories churned out goods, cities swelled with immigrants seeking new opportunities, and a dynamic, wage-based economy took root. Society was characterized by a push for progress, technological innovation, and a growing abolitionist sentiment that viewed slavery as a moral stain upon the nation. Meanwhile, the South remained a world apart, an agrarian society built upon a foundation of vast plantations and the brutal institution of chattel slavery. Its economy was inextricably linked to cotton, and its culture was steeped in a traditional, hierarchical social order. This fundamental clash of economic systems, social values, and moral principles created a chasm that politics could no longer bridge, setting the stage for an inevitable and catastrophic confrontation. The simmering tensions finally erupted in April 1861, plunging the nation into the crucible of war. The conflict that followed was a brutal, sprawling affair that would claim over 600,000 lives and leave scars across the land for generations. From the rolling hills of Gettysburg, where the tide of the war turned in a monumental three-day struggle, to the grim siege of Vicksburg that gave the Union control of the Mississippi River, the scale of the fighting was unprecedented. The clash at Antietam became the single bloodiest day in American history, a stark testament to the ferocity of the combat. On battlefields large and small, from Bull Run to Appomattox, soldiers in blue and gray endured unimaginable hardship, fighting with a conviction born from their deeply held beliefs about the future of their country. The intensity of these battles, fought with the era's devastating new weaponry, forever changed the face of warfare and left an indelible mark on the American psyche. From the ashes of this great conflict, a new nation struggled to be born. At the heart of this transformation stood President Abraham Lincoln, whose leadership steered the Union through its darkest hours. His issuance of the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 was a pivotal moment, reframing the war not just as a fight to preserve the Union, but as a crusade for human freedom. It promised liberation to millions of enslaved people and fundamentally altered the moral and political landscape of the war. With the final surrender of Confederate forces in 1865, the guns fell silent and the arduous task of reunification began. The era of Reconstruction that followed was a complex and often turbulent period, aimed at rebuilding the shattered South and integrating newly freed African Americans into the fabric of society. Though fraught with challenges and setbacks, the end of the war marked the start of a long, difficult journey toward a more perfect and truly united nation. This defining chapter of American history serves as a powerful reminder of the cost of division and the enduring struggle for freedom and equality. The Civil War tested the founding principles of the Republic like no other event, and in its aftermath forged a new national identity, forever altered by the fires of its most profound trial.